Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex, and today we are doing our gold analysis. So if you're new to our channel or if you're new to this particular video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So you guys know we're trading gold, and gold is already bullish and it's still bullish up to now. As you can clearly see, higher highs, higher lows. That's the formation of gold right now. But anyways, in this particular week, that's from the 20th of August, we are in a consolidation as price has formed a strong resistance up here and a strong support up here. So you can see the price is dabbling between this area. So I'll call this area what we call a range. So price is ranging in this area, and from this area all the way up here, in fact even from down, we are in a bullish move, but now we are in a ranging trend, if you know what I mean. So right now, last week, gold fell from this area all the way down to this particular area, came to this particular area which we call a support area or a demand zone, and now it's trying to buy back. Now if you look at this particular candle formation in the 4-hour time frame, we can see that these candles, 1 2 3 candles, these 3 candles here are what we call a morning star. This candle is a doji candle, as you can clearly see, or you may call it a hammer candle. Yeah, I will just say, let's say it's a hammer candle, and we are seeing that this is a morning star formation to tell you that what the bulls are strongly pushing the price back to the bullish direction, because gold was selling from Friday all the way from this area, that's from 2,524 all the way down to 2,500, which is a good buying price for gold. So right now we are in a bullish move, and we are looking forward to see how gold will likely get back up to this particular area, which we call our selling zone. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame for more in-depth. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So in the 1-hour time frame, you can see that this particular candle was a strong bullish candle, breaking also the resistance that was created from the bullish move. So this particular bullish candle gives us a heads up on what will happen with gold, because this particular area here was a strong sell zone. As you can clearly see that there was a multiple actions, multiple resistances in this particular area, keeping gold at bay, keeping gold in the bearish direction. So from this area to this area, we may call it a lower low, lower high, lower low. But with what happened here with this breakout, what you may call a break of structure or a chalk, we call it now change of character. So if this thing keeps going back, let's say if this particular candle, right, pulls back down a little bit up and keeps, so if this candle pulls down a little bit and retraces back in the bullish direction, then we may say that gold is going back in the bullish direction, because this breakout is already a it's already a change of market structure. So now we are now going back to the bullish trend, because this candle has broken this particular resistance strongly. But however, we have to be careful, because it may still be a fake breakout. But anyways, that's why I say we have to watch and see if there's a pullback and a retracement to the upside, breaking this particular area, breaking this particular high over here, then we will not be in a bullish trend, creating higher highs and higher lows, as you know how the market goes all the way back to this particular direction where there's a strong selling pressure here. So this is how we're going to be trading gold this particular week, and we should be very, very watchful, because there's going to be a lot of news in this first week, and that would help us to determine if gold will keep bullish or keep bearish. Anyways, so for those who want to trade, you should wait for a retracement. If you see a retracement, you can keep buying, but if you see a strong bearish candle, then we can keep selling, because it's either gold will go up or gold will fall down like this. So those two things are very important. So that's my idea on gold today. The entries that I'll give the entries in the group. If you're in my Telegram group, my premium group, or maybe even my free group, I'll be giving you guys entries. We already took a trade on US30 and we hit take profit 1 with 100 pips in profits. So we're looking forward now to the next 2 trades for the day, and we call it a beautiful day. Anyways, what do you think about this video? Drop it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.